Hi everyone, this is Laura with another ClickFix video. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to use the redirect shortcode, which can be useful for many things. I'm going to show you two examples today. The first one is going to be a very simple one in my opinion, which will allow you to take your user to a certain block in a page after they've spent a certain amount of time in the page. And the second example is going to be a multi-step form, which can be very useful to save a user's email in a multi-step form without them actually having to complete a purchase. So I am here in the Ontraport page builder and I'm going to go to the custom code and show you my code. You can ignore this part, but this is the code that I'm using to redirect the user. So first I am hiding the block with this ID, which is the second block on my page. If you want to figure out what is the ID of your block, you can download the ClickFix Chrome extension, and once you have it installed, you can go to highlight block IDs and it's going to show you the ID. So this is the ID of the block that I want to hide. So I type that right here, and then after 8 seconds pass, you can change this for 1 minute or 2 minutes or whatever you want. The page is going to display that block that I hit, and it's going to redirect the user to that block. So it's going to scroll down the page and stay on that block. So I'm going to publish my page and show you the end result. So I am going to wait 8 seconds to show you that it's going to take me to the second block. So it happened, it scrolled down to the bottom of the page to show me the second block. So this was a very simple example, but I also want to show you a more complex one, which is a multi-step form. So what this is going to do is that it's going to allow you to build a two-step checkout process. So even if your user doesn't finish the purchase, you can still save some of their data. So for example, the email, which is a very useful tool to be able to market to that user without them actually having to buy something from you. So you create two blocks and then use the redirect shortcode to redirect them to that second block without having to go through the Ontraport's automatic redirection. So yeah, I hope that this code is useful to some of you, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.